Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is 92nd Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force Day is a historic event celebrated annually to commemorate the establishment of the Indian Air Force. On the 8th October, the Air Force in India was officially established in 1932 as the supporting force of the Royal Air Force of the United Kingdom. The Tambaram Air Force Station near Chennai is host of the National Air Force Day Parade this year. This Indian Air Force Day will mark its 92nd anniversary on 8th October. About Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force is the fourth largest in the world after the US, China and Russia. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Motto of the Indian Air Force is Touch the Sky with Glory, and it was taken from the 11th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. The President of India holds the rank of Supreme Commander of the Air Force. The Chief of Air Staff, an Air Chief Marshal, is responsible for the operational command of the Air Force. Now it's time for the practice question. After India's independence, in which year was the Royal Indian Air Force renamed the Indian Air Force? 1947, 1945, 1950 or 1932? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.